Oakley E-wire replacement lenses unboxing. Hello everyone, let's going to see this unboxing about our Oakley E-wire lenses. This is what you get when you buy a pair of these lenses on our website. Inside this box, we'll send you a microfiber bag with the lenses, thank you card, and a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses. Okay, I want you to take a look here to the microfiber bag. It has two departments, left and right. The lenses are inside each department to avoid scratches during the zipping. Okay, let's pick the lenses. It's a fire green color. Now you will have more than 15 colors on our website. And this is it. How you like this video? Please thumbs up, please subscribe to our channel and click the link below to visit our website.